One Wales collaboration was established and led by the Population Data Science Group at Swansea University, enabling opportunities and providing vital COVID-19 research and intelligence to policymakers in Welsh Government's Technical Advisory Group and the UK Scientific Advisory Group for Emergencies, known as SAGE. The One Wales response brought together multidisciplinary experts from across organisations around Wales and the UK using the SAIL Databank. Collaborators worked together across as many partners to provide timely evidence to tackle the pandemic and its impact on people and services. The One Wales collaboration enabled and contributed to impactful intelligence and research in areas such as analysing the impact of shielding on people's physical and mental health, evaluating the impact of COVID-19 on schools for people and staff, geospatial modelling to graphically illustrate the spread of COVID-19 in Wales, the impact of COVID-19 on care home residents, and longitudinal analyses and evaluation of the UK vaccination programme, including associated uptake, safety and efficacy of the vaccine.